Good morning. How is everybody? Let's hope, let's hope that the audio today is okay. Got eye boogers. Sorry. They have to go. I have no idea why the audio has been an issue the last 2 days. I don't know what to say. I was going to say, well, maybe I should go out and buy a nice camera, but no. No, I'm not going to do that. Not right now, anyway. I have other expenses. I have more dentist bills coming up. I love my dentist because, well, you know, I don't like dentists, but my dentist is a good guy. I still had quite a bit of work to have done on both my top and my bottom. And I exhausted my insurance benefits for this year. He is going to take care of me anyway. You know, I just said, well, I'll come back around November, December. And he's like, no, I'm not going to make you wait that long. So he's just going to take care of me. I mean, I still have to pay my share. My share, after I talked with the girl, everything I'm going to have done is going to probably cost about $1,500. If I ever get rich, I want to have implants. I truly do. I want my teeth pulled and I want implants. I've seen them and they look good, but I can't afford that right now. Maybe if I quit medicating, I could, huh? I hope everybody had a good Memorial Day. We didn't really do anything here. I didn't. Okay. Damn lawnmower. I hate lawnmowers. I went and got gas, like I said I was going to do, to chop my weeds down. I don't have grass. Damn lawnmower won't stay going. You know, it'll... and then it stops right away. It doesn't sput. It doesn't make any noises. It just don't stay going. So maybe I need a spark plug. Maybe I need a tune-up. I don't know. So then I got out. I think I told you last year I went on this Ryobi power tool kick. So I got out my Ryobi weed whacker, and I was just going to use that. It's a pretty nice weed whacker. Battery is dead. So I had that charging, and maybe today I'll work outside. Let's do our wake and bake. You guys notice I've been using this email a lot. It's easy. I got some rosin. Oh, I have a story to tell you about rosin. Got some rosin here. Get that out of the way. And cheers. A little cough. Little cough. But today, I'm not going to edit the coughing out. I figure I could see if maybe my editing program, if my editing program is what is causing the double audio. I don't know. I'll try a couple different things. I will be going to the post office today. The papers are coming to the few people from the very beginning when I said I would give them out. I'm going to add this. Anybody, and I know it's not you guys that know me that have been around since November, but I guess I have to put this in there for new people. There were several requests that if I was shoot okay, whew, boy, that took a minute to get there, that cough. There were several requests that along with the mailing papers would I send flour. I'll say this maybe, once a month as we're getting more people coming in our family here. We have a really good thing going here. This cannabis movement we got going. With the legalization in so many states and recreational in a lot of states, medical, people like me coming out and speaking about the benefits of medical cannabis, actually being, advocates in the cannabis community. Older people, so that the world sees that, you know what, this stoner pothead image you have of us isn't necessarily true. Anyway, I will never do anything to break the law, ever. You will find this out about me. I hate drugs. By drugs, I mean pharmaceuticals, methamphetamines, cocaine, crack, heroin. I realize that some of us do need pharmaceuticals just to maintain, just to get by on a daily basis. So when I personally see people abusing pharmaceutical drugs, it makes me very angry. Makes me real angry, because there's people like me and others out there on the other side of my screen that struggle. We really struggle on a daily basis not to take those pharmaceuticals. And then we see you young people abusing them, especially these Xanax and Klonopins, the things that I struggle not to take. I see you abusing them. And that makes me really angry. So as an advocate for the cannabis community, we want to reflect in a positive manner and promoting drugs like that or anything illegal, like asking me to mail my medicine across state lines. Don't ever do that. If, I'm warning you guys once, if the same person would ever ask me that again, I would probably block you or whatever I can do here. And I don't want to have to do that. So, you guys know, I won't break the law. We got a good thing going here, and I'm going to keep standing for good, positive things. I know now that drinking stuff, that really wasn't a good thing. It was fun. But that's not what I'm about, and that's not what I want to get known for. Or be known for, be remembered for, whatever. Let's do another dab. I have some Alien Rock candy here. Guess what? I will be going to the post office today. So as I say, I did finish up the cards. I have 2 boxes. I'll be making a 3rd box, but I don't think I'm not gonna stress about that today. On my giveaway yesterday, well, not my giveaway, one of the giveaways I partnered up with a glass blower, we gave away 20 pendants. I already tell you this. I think I did. About the lady that was so gracious, she congratulated all the winners. Well, I spoke to her and asked could I send her some autograph papers. Not much, is it? Oh, guys. Maskey's going home today. He's very excited. He'd like to Skype or something tonight. I don't know how to Skype. I don't even think I have Skype on any of my devices. Okay. This is that alien rock candy. Wake and bake. Then we'll read the calendar and our affirmation. Cheers. Some company said I had a hat delivered and I never got it. That's why I was looking over at my calendar. Ooh, I got this a little too hot. Yep. Ooh, it's up at about 1:30 instead of 1:20. I don't like hot dabs. They make me cough. Ramona. I know you're watching. 2 things. I want you to remove that L word from your vocabulary. There is no such thing as a loser in my circle of friends. I want you to get rid of all that negativity. Because we can't have that, okay? You and I will talk. I don't need to be talking about it here. You guys are probably wondering, now what the hell is Granny talking about? Going off on one of my little tangents. One thing I want to show you guys. I showed them this yesterday on Periscope. I wish you guys would all come and Periscope with me. It's really fun. The only thing is now I've started going some of my group, some of my misfit medicators, whatever, I don't want to call you fans, my family, I don't know, friends. I don't like to say fans because that's kind of like I don't know, that's kind of like putting me up on a pedestal or something. I don't know, I don't like that. I don't like to say fans. Followers, I don't like that either. That makes you sound like sheeple. So friends or family is my term for you guys. Anyway. Now I forgot what I was saying. Oh, there was a point to my family and friends. I don't know. Maybe it'll come back to me. Maybe, maybe not. Ooh, that alien rock candy. Major, heady, high. Major, heady, high. I'm more about the body. You know, the thing that makes me different from so many other people on social media is I put all my business out here. I don't care. There's that big feud going on social media between a couple people, and I like them both. You know, this is the second time this has happened to me. I don't know who's right or who is wrong. I don't know either one of them well enough to make that decision. So I think I'm just going to stay out of it. I don't know what else to do. It's a shame. I'm not going to pick one over the other, though. Deep in thought she is. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you. The other day, come on. I had to take this tablecloth off and get a different one. You know what I need? I need one big, this is what I need. One big one of these for a tablecloth. Oil slick, can you help me? Can you get me like an 8-foot silicone mat? 8 by, I don't know, 8 by the length of my arm. I'm not asking for much, am I? Okay, so the other day, you guys know I have 2 grinders. I have my Silver Surfer. Oh, my Dab and Grandy's downstairs. So I wanted to smoke some herb, and I couldn't find my Dab and Grandy grinder, so I opened this one up. And I haven't used it in a while. There's not that much now because I already smoked some. Look at all the keef that's in the bottom. That's all keef. That's gonna make a nice joint. Huh, JD? JD, you got a couple packs of papers. Only one signed one, though. Okay. Last day of May. Wow. This month has gone by quickly. This is really, really dumb. It's from Radia Perlman, the mother of the internet. I've never heard of her. The world would be a better place if more engineers like me hated technology. The stuff I design, if I'm successful, nobody will ever notice. Things will just work and it will be self-managing. Got it? Well, here's our daily extra. It's a riddle. A man lives in a house with 4 walls. Each wall has a window. Each window has a southern exposure. A bear walks by. What color is the bear? What the hell? You ready for the answer? The only place each window could have a southern exposure is the North Pole. Therefore, the bear was a polar bear and was white. Got it? This dumbass calendar. And then, I got one more thing to tell you. I looked over there and it made me think of it. Okay. And the affirmation for the day. I act as if I already have I act as if I already have everything I want. It's an excellent way to attract happiness. It truly is. I don't know if I act like it, but I'm pretty happy most of the time. I could have picked us a better one. Oh well. Yesterday, I lied. I did run out. I ran over to the Walmart grocery store. I needed, I had to get my old dog some wet dog chow. And she still is doing, it's amazing what those CBDs are doing. Maybe she is going to be a Benjamin Buttons. Anyway, everybody was talking about pressing rosin. And then I went to a Periscope with oil slick. Those people, I said, make me one of these for my table, which I was joking. They asked me, did I want to watch them press rosin? Well, I did. So then I thought, well, I want to press rosin. So I have this really nice bud, this one right here. I thought I would press rosin with that. Then I thought, well, I don't know what I'm doing. So I decided to use some small nugs. Well, I went and bought a hair straightener. Wet to dry with ceramic plates. I had $30. Obviously, I'm not going to use it on my hair. And then I went to Harbor Freight and bought a clamp. Well, then they told me I should have bought a 600-pound clamp. I didn't know. I tried squishing the bud last night, and I'm glad I only used a couple little nugs because I didn't feel like I wasted anything. I didn't have any luck. I don't know if it's because I just had this little clamp from Harbor Freight that cost $2.99. There was a few drops of some stuff from the buds on the paper, but not enough where I felt like I accomplished anything. Will I try again? Yep. Yeah, I will. I have to make a few phone calls today. Kind of do a little bit of housework because Thursday is going to be my meet and greet. And then Friday has a doctor's appointment. So actually today and tomorrow, kind of my only day here. Well, today I want to get to the post office. I promise, guys, even you guys, there's one going to the UK and one going to Canada. So even you two will get yours. I have to stand in line for that. How about, okay, I'm gonna tell you this. All of you that I can just drop in this, I have to buy stamps. I didn't have enough stamps for everything. All of you, if the line is big, which I'm thinking it's going to be because yesterday was a holiday, if the line is big, I don't want to wait in line. I know better times to go. So I'll just drop. I could probably even do the self-service for agoraphobia and Glastos. I think I can. If, like, I think I have to go to the actual person for you in the UK and you in Canada because I don't know. I've never mailed anything to those places from here. Okay. How about, I don't even have my wax maxer up here. That's how lazy I was this morning with this email. You know what I will do with you? I'll do a quick bong rip from my eggplant. I will be getting my new email. And I'm not going to lie, I'm looking forward to it. I knew once I started with it again, I probably wouldn't want to smoke any out of any of my other bowls. It probably will fit a couple of my rigs. Some stale bong water. Yes, I'm dropping little nugs all over. I say we put a little keef in there. And I don't like using a hemp wick. I know you guys think I'm bad, but I don't care. Cheers. Does anybody else make that sound in their sinuses? It's like I'm trying to stop myself from coughing out the hit, I guess. So, and you're going to get all my coughing today. Because I'm wondering what the hell is going on. And then it automatically goes up to the cloud. So when I try to reload, it's already gone. This is, who knows what the keef is. This is some great white skunk. I was being quite silly on Snapchat already. I sang them, it's a great day for being alive. Yeah, it's a great day for smiling and saying hi. They probably think I'm nuts. And then the other thing I said to them was, we're all in our places with wake and bake faces. And of course, those are happy faces. All right, guys, I think that's it. I am going to do my megatoke, do my great biggin to fuck cancer. I don't think there was anything I had to promote on YouTube this morning, so I'll do it tomorrow. I think I really do need to start writing down little notes, just what I need to do when I make my videos. Because now I do so many of them, I get so high by the time I'm done, I forget what I was coming to do. I forget, you know, and one thing, I am going to say this before I leave. Two people sent me stuff, and I guess I didn't shout them out. That's why I have to write it down, I think. Either that or stop accepting gifts, because it's not that I'm unappreciative. I get a lot of stuff. Oh, well. Okay, guys, one more hit. We're going to call it a day. Call it a wake and bake morning. Good stuff. Okay, finish up here. Upload this. Finish my social media rounds. Get in the shower. Head to the post office and see what the day brings. On that note, make it the best day you possibly can. Do your own personal best. Try to do a kind deed for somebody. Peace, love, and happiness. I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully no double audio this morning. Bye, guys.